So check this out from 1965. It's a Ford Transit. That is the unmistakable face of the Ford Transit van. This is a very special van. I'm going to take you around and we'll have a look over the paintwork. How good is this? It's a Ford Transit from 1965. This van was built on the 1st of October 1965. It was originally owned by Ford, but it's got a great bit of history to it because it was used in the Avengers film starring Ralph Fiennes and Uma Thurman. This is an absolute classic. I think we'll have a look around. And of course everybody knows I'm passionate about the Ford Transit myself. One of the things I like about this is it's actually got sliding doors. Check that out. And of course the chrome work as well. So it's on a C plate from 1965. I think they must stay in a good area because look at that. It's not even a lock-in petrol cab. But one of the vans that I had sliding doors, and back in the day what we used to do was get the doors open and drive around town, wait on the nightclubs coming out and whatnot. Absolutely brilliant. This van is so pristine, it's hard to believe it's 57 years old in 2022 and fitted with the half bulkhead there. I'll be honest, I've not seen that before. The sliding doors, remarkable. And of course, the silver hubcaps are not in existence, going for the painted finish. Initially, the Ford Transit panel van, owned by Ford, was used as a wind tunnel test vehicle while testing for body vibration. Some years later, it was doing videos for Ford promoting the Transit. The Transit Van Club tracked down the owner of the van, which was not for sale, as the plan was actually to do a second Avengers film, and a retention payment to hold the van for the next film had been made. But due to the box office sales, which were actually quite bad, and reviews on film 1, the second film was never made, and the van was purchased for £800. Once the van had been purchased, it was time to set about hunting for the parts needed to rebuild the van and bring it back to its former glory. Once enough parts had been sourced, the project burst into life. It was not until the project was started in 2010 and a really good look at the 65 was realised just how early the Transit was. It had a Ford Thames 400E and Zodiac parts, like wheel cylinders.
I'm going to have to come in there. Hello everybody. Hiya. Toot toot. Peep peep. Well, Stevo, you didn't even tell them about the Goodyear tyres. But that's actually it. That is the story of the 65. I hope you enjoyed it. From myself, Gregory Bear, and Stevo. We'll catch you next time on SLR.tv. Toot toot. Peep peep. See ya.